Hello, class. This is a review of lesson number 6. Okay, family is lesson number 6. Who is in your family? Who is in your family? We studied the words brother, brother, sister, parent, uncle. More than one brother, more than one, más de uno, brothers. More than one sister, más of one sister, sisters. Mom and dad, parents, two. Padre o tutor, parents, tutores. Perdón, padres. Uncle, uncles. My father, brothers are my uncles. My father, brothers. Los hermanos de mi padre son my uncles, mis tíos. Okay, we also studied the word husband. Husband. My husband is Toto. Guillermo, but we call him Toto. Guillermo, pero lo llamamos call him Toto. Wife, I am his wife. Mother, I am a mother. Maybe he is the daughter, I guess. Father, maybe he is her father. Brother, sister, daughter, son, grandfather, grandmother, aunt, uncle, cousin, primo, children, parent, niece, sobrina, nephew. Okay, now you have to memorize them all, todas. You have to, tienen que memorize them. Okay? Let's continue with the class now. We also talk about, también hablamos about conversation. Tell me about your family. Tell me, platícame. Y háblame de tu familia. Tell me about yourself. Háblame de ti. And then he starts saying where he is from. Entonces comienza diciendo de dónde es. I'm from Canada. I'm from Mexico. I'm from Spain. I like to dance. I like to play the piano. I like to sew, coser. Also, I have a big family. También tengo una familia grande. I have a big family. Oh, yeah, tell me about your family. Oh, sí, háblame de tu familia. Okay? Students, memorize this conversation. Memoricen esta conversación porque estos son enunciados que son como un modelo a seguir para hablar y para que poco a poco lo vayamos poniendo en nuestra mente y después vamos a ir con ellos construyendo más comunicación. Vamos a poder hablar más. Cuando ustedes le enseñan a sus niños, te dicen, dime, por favor, mamá, ¿me das agua, por favor? Y el niño repite, ¿no? Y después, mamá, ¿me das pan, por favor? Y él repite, mamá, ¿me das chocolate, por favor? Y le enseñamos un enunciado, solamente le vamos cambiando el objetivo, ¿no? Lo que queremos. Entonces, lo mismo vamos a hacer en inglés. Aprendemos estos enunciados y después vamos utilizando, son como pequeñas herramientas para comunicarnos. Ok, aprendimos que en inglés, como en español, a veces decimos las palabras, las unimos y al unirlas se dejan de escuchar ciertos sonidos, como about yourself. Cuando lo decimos en un enunciado, lo decimos rápido. Tell me about yourself. Tell me about yourself. Ya no se escucha. About yourself. By yourself. About yourself. About yourself. What's your? What's your? What's your? What's your? No se escucha t. Meet you. Meet you. Meet you. Meet you. Meet you. There's no T over there, ¿ok? Entonces, cuando lo usan en un enunciado, ¡pum!, se van rapidito y no se escucha t, t. el T sound. ¿Ok? Ok, vamos a practicarlo. About, not link primero, separado. Not link, link es unido. About yourself. About yourself. Tell me about yourself. Tell me about yourself. Tell me about yourself. Meet you. Meet you. Pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you. What's your name? What's your name? What about you? What about you? What about you? What about you? What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Casi no se escucha la T en esto. Okay? Okay, this is a useful phrase. Useful, útil. A phrase, una frase útil in our class. Teacher, how do you say mango in English? Oh, mango is very easy. Mango. Almost the same. Teacher, how do you say soda? Oh, how do you say soda in English? Oh, it's actually very easy. Es muy fácil. Soda. De hecho, la palabra soda está en inglés. No es en español. Refresco es una palabra en español, aunque ya ha entrado en el diccionario español. Pero soda o soda viene de soda. Pero botella de plástico, teacher, ¿cómo decir? How do you say botella de plástico? Plastic bottle. Plastic bottle. ¿Ok? Entonces, this is a useful phrase. Es una frase que nos va a ayudar mucho para aprender nuevas palabras. Ok. After that, después de eso, we review. There are 5 people in my family. There are 5 people in my family. My daughter Marta, my son Guillermo, my daughter Yareli, my husband Guillermo, and me, Claudia. There are 5. I have brothers. I have 3 brothers, Andrés, Moisés, and Isaac. I have 5 sisters. Avi, Sarita, Ruth, Marita, Nisa. 5 sisters. I have uncles. Well, I have a lot. Muchos uncles. Uncle Jose, Uncle Pedro, etc. I have aunts. Yes, Aunt Maggie, Aunt Josefina, Aunt Carmen. I have nieces. Yes, I have nieces. My nieces are my sister daughters. My sister, mi hermana, daughters, hijas, las hijas de mi hermana. So I have around 20 nieces. Samantha, Liliana, etc. And I have nephews. Nephews are the sons of my sisters and my brothers. Los hijos of my sisters and brothers. Nephews like Abraham, Ivan, Danny, etc. I have cousins. I have also many cousins. Cousins are the children of my uncles and aunts. The children, los hijos de my uncles, de mis tíos y mis tías. Primos. Exactly. And I have 1 son and 2 daughters. Okay. Next activity. This was your homework. Esta fue la tarea. For the ones that couldn't attend the class, para los que no pudieron attend the class, no pudieron asistir a la clase. Okay. Homework number 1. Okay, you have to write down, escriba. First, pretend. Vamos a pretender para imaginar that you are this girl. Let me zoom it. I'm going to zoom it. Lo voy a hacer más grande. Okay, suppose that I am this girl. Supongamos that I am this girl. Yo soy ella. Then I will say, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people in my family. I have a husband, a son, 2 daughters, and my mom. Okay? That's number 1. Number 2, choose another one. Choose, escoja another one. Otro. Escoja otro. Maybe this man. Okay. Okay. Again, there are in my family 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 people. There are 8 people in my family. Okay. I have 1, 2, 3. I have 3 sons. 1, 2, 3. And I have 1, 2, 3. 3 daughters. And I have a wife. Okay? Then go to picture number 3. Luego vayan a la picture number 3. Maybe you are this little girl. Ahora vamos a hacer esta niñita. Okay. There are 5 people in my family. I have a father. I have a sister. I have a baby brother. And I have a mother. This is my family. Now it's your turn. This is the first part of your homework. The second part of your homework, segunda parte of your homework is to draw. What? To draw a family tree. Then talk about your family with a partner. Okay? Draw a family tree and then talk about your family with a partner. ¿Lo dibujan? Draw your family tree. I will show you. Les voy a mostrar cómo. Then talk about your family with a partner. Con un compañero van a platicar. Vamos a hacerlo. Voy a hacer yo primero. Okay, you can draw a family tree. Pueden dibujar un árbol familiar. And a family tree is with you. Un árbol familiar te lleva a ustedes primero. This is me. Este es un vertical tree. Es un árbol vertical. Where it's me, my mom, my dad, my grandma, my grandpa, my other grandma, my other grandpa. And hold on. And here I have my great grandmother, my great grandfather, and the other great grandmother and the other great grandfather. So it's my mom. My mom is Marta. Her husband is Andres. Andres' mother is Longina's husband is Marcial. Marcial is my grandfather. What about my sisters and brothers? Okay, let me see. I can move this a little bit. Do you want to know my brothers and sisters? This is my family. My husband, my daughter, my other daughter. This is me, and this is my son. There are 5 people in my family. This is my family. My husband, my children. These are my relatives. My father, my mother, my brothers, and my sisters. This is my father-in-law. And this is my mother-in-law. My sister-in-law, my brother-in-law, cuñados, my sister-in-law, and she is my niece, mi sobrina, and my nephews. These are my children. These are my relatives, mis familiares, and this is my family. Okay, class? Okay,